Hey man, that's it. That's a wrap for these Air Jordan 1 Bred Hi 5s. I definitely think the release could have went totally better. I don't know why they limited them. I don't know what's going on, but Nike has been doing something totally different this year, and these joints are currently on the uprise. We're gonna talk about if you should, snag these joints now or wait, and I think everybody pretty much know that answer, but we gotta talk about this Air Jordan 1 Bred Hi 5 release. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciate you guys to pull up. Come see what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And again, bro, the Air Jordan 1 Bred Hi 5 has been a release to something I've never seen before. Like, this is something totally different. I think it's even more hype and more anticipation to cop a sneaker than like even the trophy room ones that released back in like 2020, in my opinion. 2020, 2021, whatever it was. But the hype for the, the freeze outs was up there, just like these Air Jordan 1 Bred Hi 5s. I don't know if it's due to the limitness or the exact specifications they were trying to do to mirror the pair that came out back in the day when Jordan was actually rocking them. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, because we got a lot to talk about. So hit that like button. Let's get into today's video, man. All right, guys, so you see it, man. You see the Air Jordan 1 Bred reimagined patent, guys. I think the patent was the first reimagined one, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, don't quote me if I'm wrong, but this is the only Bred that I have. Actually, I have these, and I do have the satin pair, but it's not I just need a regular pair of Breds, bro. It's almost like it's unobtainable. If you guys know, man, it's like one of my grail sneakers. And I was talking to the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid, and I said, bro, I really want a pair of the Breds. Like, I've been wanting them since 2016, or a little bit before that was how, kind of got hip on the Breds. And every time it's time for the release to come, it literally goes to the wayside. It's like a terrible release, and it's something telling me not to buy them. Even though I got the money to spend for them, it's just a simple principle that I just want to get a pair for retail. And I don't want to pay an arm and a leg. Like, it's okay paying resale sometimes, but you got to pay it every time something come back out. It's kind of like one of those things, like, really Nike. And I'm not trying to complain about the release. We all know they were going to be limited, but I just always have to reiterate, it was so many people in the comment section when we were talking about the Bred Hi 5. They said, I'm not copping them because of retail. That's the only thing people were talking about. They wasn't talking about grabbing them. They said they're going to sit. They was saying all types of stuff. And then when we heard that they wore a limited, and it's like less than 10 or 15,000 pairs, next thing you know, bro, the comments is flooding saying that I need a pair. It's just like, bro, why can't y'all keep the same energy? Like, you know what I'm saying? I've been missing all last year where I can just walk into the store and snag a pair, but now it's something totally different, bro. You got to put your footwork in, and that all leads into, should you buy these joints right now? And I know a lot of people can answer that down below in the comment section. Do you think people should wait? Do you think people should buy them now? Let us know what you think. But me personally, my personal opinion, me copping sneakers for 10 plus years now, and kind of seeing how this release went, I think this is the best time to snag them. I was waiting a little bit because I'm like, maybe Nike do some sneaky stuff, like drop on the sneakers app or something like that and push some more stock out. But this is it, bro. This is it. All those raffles you put in, all the mails you took, that's it, bro. So it's either you pay resale or you pay resale later, which I do think the resale will continue to rise. So if you can get a pair for under $500, bro, you should definitely snag them. And it's crazy, bro. I'm like, eat my own words. Cause I was talking to homie, the Retro Whiskey. He said, bro, buy them now. It was going for like $450 in my size. Now look, they go for $500. It's like, just like that, bro. I should have snagged them. So I'm just trying to help you guys out. This is the perfect time to buy a pair, in my opinion. I don't see them dropping any more than like $450, $460. And like I said, my pair has risen in resale over the last couple of days, man. So I probably should have pulled that trigger, should listen to Big Bro, but it is what it is. But the time has come to where I just gotta bite that bullet to buy the shoe, because I've always wanted a regular pair of Breds in the collection. And I'm not trying to not be a steward, you know what I'm saying? I do appreciate the pack guys, but I need the regular joints. I need the OGest of OG. You know what I'm saying? They was putting CT scans and all types of stuff for the shoe. So it's I do think it's worth it. It's worth the bill. It's worth the bill. And I'm gonna be snagging them joints right now. I got some GOAT credit. Hop up on there and use all my GOAT credit for a grill that I've always wanted to add to the collection, man. And that leads us to the next sneaker I want to talk about that releases tomorrow. So you have a bunch of people that have taken an L on the Bred Hi 5s, me included, and now they're gonna say, man, I want some of that retail therapy. I want to buy some sneakers. I want to buy a pair of Air Jordan 1s. And that's why I think this release is going to go a lot differently than what people think. These joints right here have been getting a lot of buzz, all due to the fact that they are a little bit more accessible. Like, you can grab these for retail if you want it. And it's crazy because last year in November, December, I had a screenshot. Hopefully I can find it. These were going for under retail. Now the price is slightly, I'm saying slightly, has gone up to a little bit above retail price for these joints. So I do think that's because of the Bred Hi 85s. Everybody's like, I'm not gonna grab these, I'm gonna grab the Breds. And now if you don't wanna pay resale on the Breds, I'm telling you, bro, people are going to be out snagging these things. I cannot wait to see and do a little recap over the release, because I'm telling you, bro, people about to be out here getting these things. And I did do a full review and on feed over these guys right here. And they kind of have grown on me in the sense that I've always wanted a black toes. You guys know that. You guys know I said I still don't like the Air Jordan. I'm keeping the same energy, but they have grown on to me to kind of like, you know, appreciate them, you know, the rare air, them having this over the shoulder and stuff like that. So even though I don't like the Air Jordan, I'm keeping that same energy. Cause I know some people saying, what's up the energy? I just saying they've grown on to me after, you know, I've had them for like, you know, 4 months now. Like, I've had these things for a while. I'm happy that they are finally releasing, and I can't wait to see people energy tomorrow. But I'm telling you, bro, the release is going to look a little bit more different because people have taken L's on the metallics, the black cats, and these Bred Hi 85s. So they gonna be out there trying to grab these joints right here. But I'm telling y'all, bro, don't say I ain't tell you so. So I hope you confirm them on FLX. Hope you confirm them on wherever you did buy your shoes, bro, because, bro, this one is gonna look a little bit more different. And I'm gonna add some B-roll and I'm gonna add on feed of these things because, hey, they're not terrible. Just that Air Jordan is something you gotta get used to, but definitely a great collector's piece, like I've been saying over the last couple months when it comes to these joints right here. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure y'all run them likes up, and if you are new here to the channel, make sure you sub up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop here on the channel, man. I love y'all. Thank you so much for tapping in. Go ahead and pay that resale. I know it sucks. If you want them, it's the best time to do it. If you don't want to pay resale, them Bred or them black toe joints, hey, you might be on the verge of grabbing them things tomorrow, man. But I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.